So hello class, how are you? I think everybody is safe and fine at home and studying well. Okay, so already we have started the second chapter, and in that I have explained you what is number system, how many types of number systems are there, what is the use of a number system, what are the benefits of a number system. Types of number system, I've told you there are 4 types of number system, that is binary, decimal, octal and hexa. All these I have explained you. I have explained you binary number system and decimal number system. I have shown you some problems also of binary number system and uh, binary number system and decimal number system, how to convert from binary to decimal and decimal to binary. That also I have explained you in the previous video. But if you're having any problem in that, then please comment on the comment box so that I can explain, I can come to know about that also, and I can again explain you if you're having any problem in binary to decimal and decimal to binary. So coming back to the chapter, now moving forward, now I will explain you what is octal number system. Octal octal number system. The name is clear. Octal means 8. Okay, octal means 8. So the base of this number system is 8. It will be counted at 8 numbers. The number will be start from 0 to 7. I already told you in computer the binary numbers, the number system starts from 0. Okay, then computer the number starts from 0. Like in normal mathematics we start 1, from starting from 1. In computer we start with 0. So the 8 there will be octal means 8 numbers, and the number will start from 0 to 7. The number जो शुरू होगा वो नंबर कैसे शुरू होगा? 0 to 8, 0 to 7. ठीक है, कैसे? 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, 8 numbers. Okay, this is called octal number system. Octal number system मेनली क्या होता है कि ऑक्टल नंबर सिस्टम वाज यूज्ड टू रिक्वायर द लॉन्ग बाइनरी नंबर्स, जो लॉन्ग बाइनरी नंबर्स को शॉर्ट में कैसे कन्वर्ट करके काम कर सकते हैं हम, सो दैट इट कैन इजी टू रीड एंड रिमेंबर इजी टू रीड. ऑक्टल नंबर बाइनरी में क्या है कि बहुत लंबे लंबे नंबर्स हो जाते थे, उसी को शॉर्ट में करने के लिए ऑक्टल नंबर सिस्टम का यूज हुआ ताकि उसको आसानी से हम याद कर सके. ठीक है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल अ चार्ट हैज बीन गिवन इन योर बुक. ओके, दैट इज अ कन्वर्जन ऑफ ऑक्टल नंबर सिस्टम. ये आप बाद में क्लास 9th में पढ़ेंगे कि इस चार्ट्स के हेल्प से हम कैसे काम करते हैं. अभी जस्ट ये देख लीजिए कि ये बाइनरी नंबर एक साइड में दिया हुआ है, फिर इसका ग्रुपिंग दिया हुआ है, और फिर उसको ऑक्टल में कैसे चेंज करते हैं. इस ग्रुपिंग के हेल्प से हर एक नंबर सिस्टम का, जैसे 8 बिट्स इक्वल टू 1 बाइट होता है. ओके, 8 बिट्स इज इक्वल टू 1 बाइट होता है. ओके, इसी के हेल्प के द्वारा हम नंबर सिस्टम्स का प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करते हैं. तो इसी को कैसे इवेल्युएट करते हैं, आगे कैसे लॉन्ग प्रोसेस में करते हैं, ये आपको अर्लियर हायर क्लास में पता चलेगा, क्लास 9th में. अभी आप इतना समझ लीजिए कि हम कन्वर्ट कैसे करते हैं और होता क्या है ये चीज़. ओके, भले ही चार्ट दिया हुआ है, लेकिन ये चार्ट अभी आपके कोई उसमें नहीं है. अब इसमें उस चार्ट के ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है आपका, दैट द चार्ट इज़ नॉट सो इम्पॉर्टेंट. ओके, because just given that how it has been converted from large numbers to small. लार्ज नंबर्स को कैसे स्मॉल में कन्वर्ट किया गया, बस इतना पता होना चाहिए कि ऑक्टल नंबर सिस्टम इसीलिए बनाया गया ताकि so that the binary number system which has a long number 0 1 1 0 1 1 like this, it can be make short and small numbers. Okay, in between 0 to 7, 0 to 7 के बीच में जितने भी numbers आते हैं, that from that only how many numbers we can create. Okay, next, that how to convert. Okay, like we are taking a number 1325. Okay, base 8. This is a octal number system. This is an octal number system. Like same way we will convert as we have converted in binary number system and decimal number system. Same thing, 1 3 2 5. Okay, positions 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, wait, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now what will be 8 to the power 3, 8 to the power 2, 8 to the power 1, 8 to the power 0. Because the base is 8, it is octal, we are converting the octal, then it will be like this. Okay, now wait a minute. Let me explain again this. 1, 3, 2, 5. Position 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3. Now 8 to the power 3, 8 to the power 2, 8 to the power 1, 8 to the power 0. Okay. So 1 into 8 to the power 3, 3 into 8 to the power 2, 2 into 8 to the power 1 and 5 into 8 to the power 0. Okay. 1 into 8 to the power 3, 3 into 8 to the power 2, 2 into 8 to the power 1 and 5 into 8 to the power 0. Okay. Now calculate. 8 to the power 3 value will be 512. 8 into 8 into 8. Okay. 512. So 1 into 512 plus equal to sign 3 into 8 into 8. 64 plus 2 into 8 plus 5 into 1. 8 to the power 0. I have already told that power 0 means value 1. Okay. Now 512 plus 192. 3 into 64. 64 3 ja 192 plus 16 plus 5. Value I am writing here because it is not clear. Okay, value I am writing here. 5 plus 11, 13, 15. Carry 1, 1, 10, 11, 12. Carry 1, 1, 5, 6, 7. This is the value of this number. This is the octal number and we have converted to binary 725. Okay, 725. The value is 725. Like this we will solve. Now, our answer is correct or not, that we will check. Now, this number has came in place of 1325 base 8. Okay, now we'll see this answer is correct or not. Now, we will divide it. 725 divided by 8. Because we are converting. Okay. We'll multiply also with 8 and we will divide also with 8. Okay. Now, just divide. 9. Quotient remainder 5. Okay. 9 divided by 8. Sorry, something goes wrong. Something goes wrong. Wait a minute. Now, there was a little mistake. It will be 90 and 5. Because we have taken 9 divided and there will be 0 because 5 is small. You can divide and see 90. The quotient will be 90 and remainder is 5. Okay. Now, 90 divided by 8. 90 divided by 8. Wait a minute. Now, it is solved now. 725 divided by 8. Quotient 90. Remainder 5. 90 divided by 8. Quotient 11. Remainder 2. And 11 divided by 8. Quotient 1. Remainder 3. So, value will be 1325. So, it is now proved the answer was right. Okay. It is now proved that answer was right. Okay. So, this is the way to solve from octal to binary and binary to octal to decimal and decimal to octal. Okay, this is the way to convert. We have verified also, and we have seen what is the step. Okay, now we will move to the next topic, that is hexadecimal. Hexadecimal number system. Hexa means 16. This number carries 16 digits. Okay, this number carries 16 digits, so base will be 16. Okay, and the number starts from 0 to 9 and A to F. Why? Now I will explain. Because numbers we can take till 0 to 9. Okay, not more than that. In between also we number. After that we take the alphabets. Okay. So alphabets, here alphabets will be counted as 10, 11. The A's value will be 10, B value 11, C 12, D 13, E 14 and F 15. All 16 numbers are there, 0 to 9 and A to F. The A's value is 10, B value is 11, C 12, D 13, E 14, F 15. Okay, so values are like this. Clear? Values are like this. So now, 16 values, here also it has been shown that how the number system has been changed from small numbers to big number, from big binary numbers to small hexa numbers. Okay, this also in the chart has been given, and the values, it is from 0 to 255. The values which has in bits and bytes, the value is from 0 to 255. Okay, here it is, bytes are typically 8 bits and can store the values from 0 to, it can store the value from 0 to 255. Okay. So remember, the base is hexa's base is 16 and the values start from 0 to 9, and it takes afterwards, it takes the value of alphabets, and alphabets has their values, that A has in value 10, B 11, C 12, D 13, E 14 and F 15. Now we will convert some numbers, like we are taking a number C to base 16. Okay, now we will convert it C to position 1, 2, weight 0, 1, value now 6 to the power 1, 16 to the power 0. Okay. C value, we know value is 12. So 12 into 16 to the power 1, and here 2 into 16 to the power 0. 12 into 16 plus 2 into 6. Sorry, not 16, 1. Okay. Now multiplying 12 and 16. Let's see. The value of 12 into 16 is 192 plus 2. Okay. The value will be 194 base 10. Now, it is correct or not, we will see. Okay. Let's divide. 9, 4 divided by 16. Okay. 4 divided by 16. Okay. Let's see how it will be divided. So see, I have divided 194 divided by 16. Quotient is 12. Quotient is 12 and remainder is 2. So already we have got the answer, that is 12, 2. Value of 12 is C and it will be 2. It is base 16. It was base 10 value. We have divided this and now we got the answer. It means the calculation was right. We have first divided, we have converted it to decimal number 16, C2. Value of C is 12. 12 into 16, 192 plus 2 into 1, that is 16 to the power 0, value is 1. So 192 plus 2 value is 194. Now we have converted it to decimal to hexa. So 194 divided by 16 is equal to quotient is 12, remainder is 2. So we have written like this. Now value of 12 is 2 and 2 we will write like 2 only and base 16. The value of 12 is C, so C2. Our answer was C2. Okay. So we have proved and we have converted also. Okay. We have seen the conversion from hexa to decimal and decimal to hexa in this way. So today we'll stop here. This was, I have shown you 2 topics. Next, in the next class, I will show you all the problems of binary number system, decimal number system, hexa and octal. Okay. If you are having any problem in this video, then please comment on the comment box so that I can solve all the problems also. Okay. So stay home, stay safe. Thank you.